No truer words will ever be spoken to you in sales. And the weird thing is, whether you are in a slump right now and things are slow, I'm about to give you the best advice you'll ever get. Or if you're completely crushing it right now and you're like, yeah, man, this is awesome, right? I'm going to give you the best advice you'll ever get. And the interesting thing is, it's the exact same advice, whether you're at the bottom or at the top. Here's what you need to understand. It ain't a fun place out there. Sales is brutal, okay? Business in and of itself is business. It is brutal. It is tough. There are no promises. Nothing is promised. If anybody has told you, oh, you know, it's all about the relationships and that's how you make it, that person is naive. I'm not saying you can't be nice. I'm not saying you can't have relationships in sales. But monogamy and sales, they don't mix, they don't go together. Here's what I mean. If you are in a slump right now, every fiber of your being is going to want to go into your pipeline and call the same 2, 3, 4 accounts that you've done business with for 20 years, or the same 2, 3, 4 prospects in your pipeline, and just gently, nicely squeeze them till their freaking heads pop off. Okay? That's not how you do it if you're in a slump. All right? How you do it if you're in a slump is you stay on target, you stay on path, you follow up as scheduled, as promised, you do what you need to do in a skillful way with those 2, 3, 4 accounts, right? The few that are in your pipeline. But you go out and you spend 80, 85, 90% of your time connecting with new people, getting your name out there. If you're in a slump right now, all you have to do is 10 calls every single day to new people. And just raise your, hey, just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of recruiting, deal me in. Anything you need in terms of sales coaching, deal me in. Anything you need in terms of logistics, deal me in. I live and breathe this stuff. I'm happy to help you whether you're a client or not, right? It's amazing though when we're in a funk, we tighten up and we just talk to those same 3 people, gosh darn it, they're not going to get you out of the slump, guys, right? They're not here to save you. And chances are, and I'm not trying to be unrealistic, but if you have a limited pipeline and you're in a slump, I just want to let you know how that movie ends. It ends with about half of the deals that you thought were going to close going away. They got bought. Something else happened. Interest rates changed. They died. People die sometimes on you, right? You have to go out and find new life. You have to go out there and expand yourself in the universe. Now, I told you this is the exact same advice if you're at the top. And it is. And nobody takes this advice, which is why people's months in sales go like this, right? Should be a dance called the account executive dance, right? It goes like this because you have a great month and a crap month, great month and a crap month, good year, crap year. Because what happens is you start to close stuff. And what do? You talk about the stuff that's going to close, right? I'm going to take Larry to lunch, man. That deal's going great, Larry. I'm going to take Larry to lunch, right? And I go out and I meet with Larry and we have a great meeting. And on the way home, right, I chill out. Then I get home and I kick my feet up and I relax. That is not the freaking time to relax, right? Like if we were in the octagon and you land a punch and your opponent's kind of rocked, that's the time to move in and keep swinging until the ref comes in, removes you, okay? And by the way, the ref removing us in sales is when we're done. That's when you're done. Not when the month's done, not when the quarter's done, not when the year's done. That's when you say, hey, I'm all good, got enough money, I'm not doing this anymore. Hopefully that's never, all right? But when you're winning and you're on top, that is the exact time when you should be reaching out to 10 new people every day. Why? You're going to make sure that you continue to win. Why? You're also winning. You sound like a winner. When you make calls and you're like, gosh, I don't even know if I'm going to make my mortgage next month, you have to fight through that, right? You gotta I know that maybe I'm making some therapists a lot of money, okay? I'm giving you advice that a therapist would never want to give you. If you're in a slump, I want you to take all those feelings and do exactly what a therapist would tell you not to do. I want you to just stuff them all in there. Right? Just push them all down. And when you call, hey, Larry, Matt Easton over here at Acme, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure all my people got you all the information you needed. Stuff all the paranoia down. The nice thing about when you're not in a slump, though, when you just closed a big deal, you don't have to hide any of that. You sound like this already. Hey, Larry, Matt Easton over here at Easton wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. I just made $29,000 this morning, right? Like, you're going to sound that way normally and naturally. Guys, this is what I wanted to cover with you this morning or this afternoon. We'll open it up to questions. But please, y'all, I'm trying to be real with you. And I've paid for a lot of sales coaching, and I've read every book, and nobody talks about this kind of stuff. And this is the kind of stuff where we feel alone, we feel scared, we feel like we don't know what the hell's going on, we feel like any given time somebody might pull the rug out from under us. I get it. I'm with you. The answer to all of this is to, like the AT&T commercials, they might have been the bells back then, I don't know, of the 80s, you all are too young to remember, reach out and freaking touch someone. The answer is to expand. Always be expanding. If you closed a deal, make sure 3 new people know who you are. If you didn't close a deal, make sure 3 new people knew who you are. If you can do that, life will work itself out. But this idea of you sitting around and being the master of relationships, you become the person that moves from job to job to job to company to company to company because you're real good at interviewing. And you go, oh yeah, I know Larry. Larry's a dear friend. It's funny, they all use the same words too, dear friend. Larry's a dear friend of mine. Mark, oh, I know Mark. Mark's a dear friend of mine. Oh yeah, Susan, dear friend of mine. Right? And they hire you because they're like, this guy knows everybody or this gal knows everybody. And then you don't get anything done. And you find yourself looking for a new job 4 months later. You don't have to take everybody to lunch. You don't have to be best friends with everybody. Just when in doubt, call somebody new. Don't keep beating the same 4 people to death until their head pops off. They have a life too. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. With that, I'll open it up to any questions you have. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and I'm going to give you $300 right now to close more deals. Click the link in my bio or here, and I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. I'm covering all the costs for you. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. I'll see you in the closing masterclass.